If your B2B customer can track their Swiggy or Amazon order in real time, why do they still need to email someone just to place a repeat order? So this simple question explains why B2B buying is changing so fast today. Welcome to another episode of Klizer Konnect. So let's rewind a bit. Traditionally, B2B buying depends heavily on sales team. If a buyer wanted to order something, they'll either call or email a sales rep. They'll wait for the code, wait for approvals with n number of follow-ups. Sometimes the buyer already knew what they exactly wanted, but the process slows them down. So now let's look at today's B2B buyers. So today's buyers are digital first. So they research online, they compare options on their own. They expect pricing visibility, order history, and quick reordering, often without talking to anyone. So in short, today's B2B buyers behave more like B2C buyers, just with bigger orders and more complex pricing. This is where the digital self-service comes in. Digital self-service means giving the B2B buyer the power to help themselves. So it allows the buyers to browse personalized catalogs, see their specific pricing, reorder products in a few clicks, track shipments, download invoices, and even make payments, all without waiting on calls or emails. So it just removes the friction from the buying journey. So for buyers, this completely changes the behavior. They make decisions faster, they feel more in control, they trust the brand more because everything is transparent and accessible, more importantly, at any time. So for businesses, the impact is just as strong. Sales cycles become shorter. Support team handle fewer routine requests. And sales team can focus on high-value conversations instead of manual follow-ups. When buying becomes easier, the loyalty increases naturally. And here's an important point. Digital self-service does not replace the sales team. It just removes the unnecessary friction. Self-service handles the routine so that the sales team step in where human expertise truly matters for complex deals, negotiations, and building relationships. This combination creates the best B2B buying experience. So, digital self-service is no longer a nice-to-have feature. It's an expectation. B2B buying has already changed. The real question is, has your buying experience changed with it? Thank you.